This is a short video on how to use Lignomat's RH In-Situ Probe equipment for evaluating concrete slabs using ASTM F2170 standards. First, prepare the hole. Drill and clean the hole thoroughly. Place sleeve into the prepared hole, making sure it is secure. Allow 24 hours of equilibration time in accordance with ASTM F2170. Next, place the RH blue peg sensor into the sleeve, making sure the black cap with connector is at the top. Simply drop in and seal. Wait 2 hours for temperature equilibration before taking measurements. Once you are ready to make a measurement, remove cap, plug 3mm connector into RH blue peg, and secure with inner and outer cylinder. Next, to take a reading, simply plug the cable into the RH meter. Hit the read button. Sensor number and %RH will be shown. Next, hit hold to toggle between RH and temperature. Hit the down arrow for temp and up arrow for RH. To turn meter off, hit read button twice. Now to remove cable from plug without taking sensor out. Hold the inside cylinder and pull cable until it disconnects from RH blue peg. Remove all of the cable from the sleeve. If you want to remove blue peg from sleeve, simply plug cable into RH blue peg and remove from hole. Thank you for watching our short video on Lignomat's blue peg system. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 1-800-227-2105. Thank you and have a great day.